Hi, I'm James from WallSmart. Today I'll be showing you the installation process of the Retrofit wall mount for the IC REALTIME IPMX-W40F camera. The wall mount consists of a base unit, a bezel, and a camera adapter plate. The bezel is supplied painted matte white. To install the mount, just cut an opening according to the dimensions in the spec sheet, route all of your necessary cables, insert the base unit, rotate these screws so that your dog ears will pop out, and retain the unit inside the wall. Attach the camera adapter plate to the camera, insert the camera with the adapter plate, and then cover it with your bezel. Route the necessary cables to the installation area. Rotate these screws so that your dog ears will pop out, and retain the unit inside the wall. Connect and attach the device adapter plate to the device. Connect and insert the device, and then cover it with your bezel.